So before you press the upload button on YouTube to get your videos public, there are certain things that you need to take into consideration. So it is as a result of this that I bring you this particular video on things you need to do before you upload your videos onto YouTube. So if you're a beginner content creator like myself, then come and then let's go through this together. Now, I will urge you to like this video, to subscribe, and then share to other beginner creators so that we can all grow together and then achieve this monetization target. So, if you're ready like I am, let's go.
Virtual giant.
One of the first things that you need to do before you even set off to record your video is to research into the title you will give to your video. Of course, it is very important. You just don't create the video and then afterwards look for titles. No, you need to find out how you're going to name your video so that it informs how you record. And do not forget that whatever you say in the video is used by the YouTube algorithm to distribute your videos. So if you don't have a title and you do not mention it in the video, then the algorithm wouldn't know who to distribute your videos to. Do you understand? Yes, so it is part of the video optimization process before you upload. Now, this title we are referring to can be gotten from a lot of sources. For example, you can use the same YouTube to check and then come up with your own titles. You look at videos that are successful, that are in your niche, and then you kind of make the title, change the title to suit what you're about to do, and that is acceptable. The next way is that you can use Google or even Google Trends. So you get to know what particular topic in your niche is making the waves at a particular time. For example, if you're into sports, then probably one weekend, your Real Madrid, your Chelsea news can come in handy. They may be trending on Google Trends, and Google Trends will give you what topic is reigning at a particular location of the world in a particular time, and even gives you the amount of views it is generating. So it is one of the good ways to get your topic ideas from. The next thing you can use is keyword research tools. For example, we have the vidIQ, we have TubeBuddy, what that you can use, and they give you a lot of insight as to how well or how good this particular keyword is. So if you incorporate it into your title, it will help your videos to grow. Also, you need to give your video a very good thumbnail. And if you're a beginner, Canva comes in handy. Plus, there are a lot, even CapCut, you can use it to create your YouTube thumbnails. If you look onto my channel, there are videos where I show you how to use CapCut to create a video thumbnail. And even some of my thumbnails are used CapCut to create it. You can watch and then learn. Also, you need to give your video a befitting description. When YouTube cannot find anything about your video to use as a source of distribution, they look at your metadata, and this metadata include your title, which I've talked about already, and then your description. So you need to write a befitting description. Avoid just writing or repeating the same title as the description. No, it is not that good. So what you do is to rewrite the title in a different way using similar or synonyms of the keywords in the description. So about 2-3 sentences for a description is not bad. So you describe what your video actually is, and YouTube algorithm considers that as and when it is distributing your videos to the audiences. It helps it to identify the right audiences for your video. So titles and description are very important. The next thing is that you can incorporate your clickable links into the description box. What I mean by clickable links is that you may have videos on your channel that are related to this video you're about posting. So what you do is to copy the link to that other video and then paste it in the description of this new video so that whoever watches and then goes into your description box can click on this link and will be sent to the other video. And when that happens, you keep or you maintain that person on your channel. And when YouTube algorithm recognizes that this particular channel has some vital information, some good things that people need to see, and it automatically starts distributing your videos to other people. You understand? And it is also important to include tags in your videos. Before you upload, apply tags. Now you look for tags that are related to your title, to your video. And to get tags, you can use vidIQ, what I mentioned early on. There are tags available. It gives you the rank position. It gives you the amount of search this tag is getting by the second. So if you're able to associate these tags to your video, the algorithm, as I said, if it is not getting anything, at least it considers your description, your title, and then the tags as well, plus relevant hashtags. So you don't create a video about YouTube education and then use make money online tags or even hashtags. No, it is not a good thing. There is no consistency in there. There's no cohesion. So the YouTube algorithm wouldn't know who to give it to. Imagine creating a sports video and then using make money online tags when it is shown to people who are into make money online viewing. They wouldn't be interested. So you need to use relevant keywords. The next thing is to set the appropriate audience. Always make sure that this video is not made for kids, because if you are creating kids stuff, then you need to hop onto the YouTube Kids. You understand? If you create kids stuff on this mainstream platform, your views wouldn't be that much unless you have a big channel. So, fellow creators, fellow content creators, fellow beginner YouTubers, this is the little I have for us. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and then share to other people. I'll see you in the next one.